Hi everyone, Sandy here from Chinita Food and Travel. I wanted to reach out, do a quick video, let you guys know that each Tuesday I will be uploading a new video. I will be premiering it and I will be present in the live chat for the premiere of the video. So I'm doing this because I wanted to create a little bit of structure in the channel and maybe have something to look forward to for all of the subscribers. So excited about that. And I wanted to take the time to thank you guys for all of your support in the 9 months that I've been doing Chinita. It's been so much fun. I've grown so much, I've learned so much, and I feel very, very lucky that I'm dedicating my time to a passion project, to something that really motivates me and drives me, and something that really has touched me are all of your comments, all of the positive feedback, from the first video till now. Thank you guys so much. From my heart, sincerely, thank you. And I wanted to do a special shout out to a few subscribers who have been there from the beginning, every step of the way, commenting on all of my videos. Thank you guys so much. So it's Tim O'Donnell, Carlton Cayman, Mike, Taps Fan, Didas, Matis G, Saudações a Portugal, Mario Almaraz, Le Cringe Army LOL, from India, Janana Shakar, Shadow Killer, Agustin, welcome to Susan's Mukbang, and Jason Reyes. Thank you guys so much. All of your comments, man, they really touch me. And please let me know what your names are. Some of the names, obviously from the accounts I can tell, Mike, Susan, Matis, Janana, Jason. But there are some accounts where your names, I don't know what they are, so please let me know. Also let me know which city and country you're writing from. And one more thing, if there is a subject, a topic, a food, a special type of food that you would like me to cover, let me know. I'll do my best to do it. I mean, obviously we are on lockdown. I've been a little bit bummed because I had so many plans for traveling all over the place in Mexico, to Pueblos Mágicos and doing really exciting things, but it's just not happening, but in due time I will be able to do all of those recordings. And but meanwhile, if you have any suggestions, let me know and I would be happy to take care of them. I have a couple of videos pending, one for Tim O'Donnell, which is the sangria video. I'm really sorry about that, but it's pending. And I have another video pending for Le Cringe Army LOL. That video will be in Spanish. So I'm very excited about all of the things that I'm working on right now on Chinita for you guys, but mainly just a big thank you to all of the subscribers for being there and really motivating me to keep going with this passion project. So I'll see you guys next Tuesday at the premiere of the following video. So take care guys. Chinita out.